This is third video in the series titled Raster Data Symbology. So in this video we are going to apply symbol to a multi-band raster. So the raster is downloaded from Sentinel-2 and it is provided by ESA, European Satellite Agency. So we know that ESA provides the image data every 1 or 2 weeks for every location on the earth. So first of all we will try to understand what is the Sentinel data. So Sentinel, this is the wavelength ranges of electromagnetic radiation. So the sun emits different light in different wavelength ranges, and this is the visible light, and above this is ultraviolet, and just below is infrared. So a satellite captures the data in different wavelength bands. So let us see. The Sentinel captures different bands. So the intensity of this wavelength band is captured in band 1 and so on, and the resolution of each band is written here. So we have extracted these 4 bands of data only in this zip file, although we have 13 bands provided by the Sentinel. So for the simplicity of this tutorial, I have just copied the 60-meter resolution data for these bands. So what we will do is merge the raster images and display 3 bands of data as RGB. So the merging process will create a combined raster with all these 4 bands together. So let us see how we use the tools in QGIS. So in the same folder I have the data inside the Sentinel. So we can see that the data here this is band 2, band 3, band 4 and band 8. So we drag and drop all these bands to the canvas, and then as we saw in the last video, the raster data is displayed as black grayscale image ranging from black to white. So we will use raster merge and create a new raster data with all these 4 bands. So there are 2 ways to create a merged raster. So one is to build a virtual raster and another is merge. So when we merge the data, it will create a new file, new raster data. But when we build raster data, it will just create a text file which will refer to these bands. So both are same, but but build virtual raster will create a small size file. So we will use this build virtual raster tool. And now we select all the four bands. So this is 2, 3, 4, 8 A. So let us select these four bands. And now four bands are selected. So using merge or building virtual raster, we can create a mosaic of different raster, or we can create a band combination of multiple rasters. So there are two types of merging. One is spatial merging and another is band merging. So both of these raster processes can be done using this tool. So in this case we are uh, merging the bands, so we place each input file into a different band, separate bands, and the output file we create will be saved as virtual raster file. So let us say uh, sentinel merged .brt, and when we create run this, so it will very soon create this merged bands. So, and it looks very much similar to the natural earth or natural uh, surface colors. But when we the default symbol is not proper, as you can see. So let us see the, as we know, the band 1 is second band of sentinel, and 2 is third, and 3 is fourth, and 4 is 8A. So the blue color is represented by band 3 in this case. In the actual sentinel data, band 4 is representing blue color. So we change it to 4, 3 and 2. 3, 2 and 1, so that the channels are properly selected and we can apply this one. So this is more natural. We can see that barren lands are now red color. So this is how we change the color of multiband raster. Now we can check different properties. For example, if we check the histogram, we can see the range of raster data. So the raster data, the bands range from 0 to almost 3000. So blue band ranges from 0 to almost 1000. Similarly, red band is up to this point, and this 8A band ranges from 1500 to 3000. So we can set the colors accordingly. For example, we can change the color like 1000, so 800. So the contrast will increase when we reduce the width, and we can duplicate the layer, and this is the, we can change the name of this layer also. So let us say F2, rename, and this is RGB, and now this one is, we are going to use band 8. So let us say another, so let us make it different by choosing band 4 as red, band 3 as green, and band 2 as blue. So the band 4 is band 8A, so this is near infrared, and this is green band represented by red, and it is green is put in the blue band. So in this way we can try different combination of colors. So if we hide this layer, we can see that the band 8A is like this, but we change the values because the other layers are not visible. So min max setting we change to cumulative cut. So now it is automatic. So band 4 range from 0 to 3000, band 3 0 to 1286. So we can also increase the number of minimum value cell. So, okay. So for example, we can put like minimum value 1000, so that below 1000 value is not shown. So it will, the contrast of the this infrared band will increase. So this is the way we symbolize the multi-band raster data.